Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fit and fine. Dear students, today we will do chapter number 2. Heading is Kinds of Sentences. Kinds of Sentences. Now we will read in detail the kinds of sentences. First of all, try to understand what are the types of sentences. As we know that sentences differ in their nature. As we know that sentences differ in their nature. Some are informative, some ask questions, and some may convey order, request, advice. Clear? These are the types of sentences. Informative sentence like information that declare something, कुछ declare करते हैं, कुछ information देते हैं. And some ask question like what's your name, what are you doing here. Some may convey order, advice, threat or request. Advice like speak the truth. Order like shut the door. Request, for example, please give me a pencil. Clear? These are the types of sentences. Now we will read in detail. First is assertive sentence. First is assertive or declarative sentence. A sentence that declares something, that is called declarative or an assertive sentence. And also it ends with a full stop. Fine? जो सेंटेंस कुछ डिक्लेयर करता है उसे डेक्लरेटिव भी बोल सकते हो, आप असर्टिव सेंटेंस भी बोल सकते हो. इसका एंड किस साइन से होता है? फुल स्टॉप. लुक एट सम एग्जांपल्स. फर्स्ट, द अर्थ मूव्स राउंड द सन. द पैरट्स आर सिटिंग ऑन द ट्री. सुमन इज अ गुड गर्ल. दिस सेंटेंस डिक्लेयर समथिंग. अनदर एग्जांपल्स, he is a good boy, she is a good girl. Clear? These sentences declare something. कुछ declare कर रहे हैं. Nothing order, nothing advice, nothing request. कुछ order तो नहीं हो रहा है sentence में, कुछ advice तो नहीं दे रहे. Just declare something. And also it ends with a full stop. So that's why these are the examples of an assertive or declarative sentence. It's the first type of sentence. Now, move on next type of sentence, and that is interrogative sentence. Interrogative. It's very clear. A sentence that asks a question. That is called interrogative sentence. It ends with a question mark sign. जी हमेशा जो इसका सेंटेंस का एंड होता है वो क्वेश्चन मार्क से होता है. देयर आर सम एग्जांपल्स. फर्स्ट इज वेयर आर यू गोइंग. क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे हैं, कहाँ जा रहे हो आप. इज रोहन कमिंग टुडे. क्या रोहन आज आ रहा है. व्हाट इज योर नेम. व्हाट आर यू डूइंग हियर. दीज आर द एग्जांपल्स ऑफ इंटेरोगेटिव सेंटेंस. इट्स वेरी क्लियर एंड ऑल्सो एन ईजी. We can easily find out the interrogative sentences because it ends with a question mark sign. ये question mark से इसका end होता है. Now, third type of sentence, that is imperative sentence. Imperative sentence. It expresses an order, request or an advice. I will repeat. An order. Order like shut the door, close the windows. These are the orders. Request, please give me a pen. Please close the windows. Please give me a pencil. Please give me an eraser. Request, जब हम please word use करते हैं. Advice, always speak the truth. Don't waste my time. Don't waste your time. Clear? Advice, ओबे द एल्डर्स, जब हम किसी को कुछ एडवाइस देते हैं, सजेस्ट करते हैं. ऑर्डर, रिक्वेस्ट और एन एडवाइस, दैट इज कॉल्ड imperative sentence. एन imperative sentence ends with the full stop. इसका एंड भी फुल स्टॉप से होता है. जिस सेंटेंस में बच्चे आपको लगे ये ऑर्डर दे रहा है, रिक्वेस्ट कर रहा है या फिर कुछ एडवाइस है, दैट मीन्स imperative sentence है. थर्ड टाइप ऑफ sentences. Now come on, fourth type of sentence, that is exclamatory sentence. That is exclamatory sentence. This is the fourth type of sentences. Exclamatory, when express a sudden, जब कुछ मतलब सडनली हम कुछ एक्सप्रेस करते हैं. द सेंटेंस विच एक्सप्रेस अ सडन फीलिंग ऑफ हैप्पीनेस, मतलब हैप्पीनेस की फीलिंग, जब हम खुश होते हैं, कुछ ज़्यादा ही खुश होते हैं, फीलिंग शेयर करते हैं ना हम अपनी, सैडनेस और सरप्राइज, दैट्स कॉल्ड एक्सक्लामेटरी सेंटेंस. एंड वी कैन ईजली फाइंड आउट दिस टाइप ऑफ सेंटेंसेस. हुर्रा, exclamation sign, we have won the match, exclamation sign. How beautiful the butterfly is, कितनी अच्छी सुंदर बटरफ्लाई है, exclamation sign. What is noisy class it is, exclamation sign. Sign of exclamation, that is exclamatory sentence. It's very easy, we can easily find out it. A sentence that expresses some strong feeling of happiness, sadness or surprise, that's called exclamatory sentence. And also it ends with an exclamation sign. Clear? We have four types of sentences. First is assertive or declarative sentence. Second is interrogative sentence. Third is an imperative sentence, and fourth one is exclamatory sentence. Students, we will do the exercise in our next class. Okay? Today you will read it very carefully. Thanks. Have a good day.